be working on the compost this morning, so we're going to get some of the horse and donkey manure out of here to add to our compost. It's all nice and dry for the most part. There are some pieces in here that are not dry, I can see now. But we're going to clean some of this up out of our barn area and add it to our compost. Compost piles are looking really good. Watering them down every day. This one, the one in our middle bin here, is down to about 125-ish. Yeah, about 125, so it's still nice and active. The new one we started with some debris from
weeds
cleanup,
and
spent flowers. And my watering assistant is adding water to it.
Smiling.
So we're going to turn it and we're going to add the horse manure to the piles. So, documentary on fire ants. When did they come to the United States?
Yes.
Yes?
Huh?
I have no idea.
1930s.
How did they get here?
Got off a ship in Alabama.
Alabama?
Yep. If that ship had gone north, to like Boston or somewhere cold, there wouldn't be a thing. They can do 0 degrees because they can tunnel down, but if it gets way too much below 0 for too long, then I think...
I got a hitchhiker.
Oh, nice.
Praying mantis. You want to put him somewhere safe?
He just jumped off. Seriously, jumped. He's right there. He's a tiny one. Nothing's growing, not even the praying mantises. Or is it manti?
So, a few sticks down on the bottom.
I think you should leave them sticking up. They'll grow.
They won't grow. They're very dead.
The rod of Aaron, it will bud.
Take out the probe so I don't lose it or break it.
Over there and do my job. There's my chair.
This is very wet. Yeah, the chair is in the way. Like I said, I wish if I had to do this again, I would have put this maybe another 6 feet back away from the greenhouse.
But actually, if you think about it, the greenhouse is hiding the morning sun so it doesn't bake. And then this is what I need.
Here comes the dusty part.
Let me spray it a little bit right now.
You can. Help keep the dust down a little bit.
There's your shovel.
That feels good.
Yeah, right. I know, right?
All right. A little bit of the green. It's pretty amazing how matted down it is just from watering it. So by aerating it and getting some oxygen in there, this will help.
Really wet.
Yep, pretty damp. It's only dry, a little bit dry around the pallet side of things.
I was just watering it, not realizing they were going to break it.
All our little microbes need some oxygenation.
We need 3 little three thermometers.
Yeah, probably get a couple more.
Oh, another one.
I think one of them got lost in our mulch compost out there somewhere.
Find it one day.
Eventually show up, huh?
I'm guessing.
So the stuff that we're breaking into here is very, very damp and very hot, but it is breaking down really nicely. Really, really looking good. A lot of this material is breaking down. Adding the manure to it, adding our green weeds and grass to it, and watering it as we go. So
Oh, look, there's
taking it from all 3, putting it into this one on the end.
or your arthropods.
Yep, little arthropods. Those are little guys. You can see them crawling around. Those are insects that help break down woody materials. While we're turning the compost, we're also looking to see, like right here, we have all this fungal activity in our compost, which is really good. These white funguses going in there, breaking everything down, adding nutrients. So the bacteria that are in there and the other microbes breaking down material are also releasing nutrients. Some of the microbes feed on each other, and some of them, like beneficial nematodes, feed on these funguses like this. So really happy to see this is coming along nicely. Got it all turned. Got it moved from here into this one. Added the horse manure and weeds and grass clippings. So it is all put back together, ready to heat up for another couple weeks. So we'll keep an eye on our thermometer. Right now, after just sitting out in the open, it's just 80 degrees, but that will heat up quickly today. It's all nice and watered down and good to go. So really happy with the activity in there. We may do a video and do a sample to see what kind of microbes we can see in this using our microscope. So that will be interesting to see what we can identify in there. Yeah, it's almost 80, but it's 90 plus out here. It won't take it very long to heat up.
Oh, there's a little guy.
Yep.
It won't take very long to heat up. We put this cold water all through it, so it's
Cooled down and aerated now, so it'll take it a couple hours to get hot again. So if you're enjoying our videos, we hope you'll subscribe, share our videos with your friends, and we'll see you next time.